Frank fell for a woman who embodied generosity, who could give and give without ever thinking of reciprocity. Frank saw that the tiger of strength Nicole had subdued. Her determination made her conquer any goal she had in view. She did that all while displaying kindness and caring in an unparalleled manner. All whilst Frank was falling for Nicole, Nicole was falling too.
I count on every word you said. In the back of my mind, I repeat them one by one.
Watching the two of you together has been a true joy for all of us, and the many traits that you share is what every parent hopes to see for their child. May your love be a light that guides you, a fire that warms you, and a bond that strengthens with each passing year. Cheers.
I feel like I'm giving my sister away. And it goes without saying, our mom, who isn't with us today, would have been overjoyed and beaming to see how beautiful the both of you look, and to see all of us here together in this room. I know she would have loved to meet and greet and know you, Frank, and meet Kona, and see the both of your relationship thrive. I know she's watching us today. I know she would have been so happy and proud for us to celebrate with us today.
Over the years, one of the things I really admire most about you is your unwavering perseverance on things that you loved. All of above demonstrated your strong willpower and self-discipline, but your most celebrated accomplishment is you have found your significant heart. Nicole.
This one and only gift before me, holding every breath in place.
With all of your amazing qualities, I always knew that when you finally walked alongside someone in this life, they'd have to be equally incredible too. I'm beyond thrilled that Frank is that person.
For in the art of marriage, you create not just a life together, but a legacy of love that inspires all who witness it. Together may you write a beautiful story, one that speaks of devotion, joy, and the unbreakable bond that is the art of marriage.
Much to us to have all of our favorite people here in one place together. We all love you so much. Cheers to all of you for making it here to Kauai and celebrating with us.